Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how you can book movie tickets in your BookMyShow application. So let's start the video friends. So watch till end, don't miss any step. So first you have to download this BookMyShow. You have to simply download it from App Store or Play Store. Here it is showing the latest movie here, so dismiss here. Then you have to make your account by logging in with your number or Gmail ID. Then here it's showing the latest and recommended movies. So here it is, you can see the ratings over here, that is 9.7. Let's see this. So click on book tickets, then choose here. So this is the 2D, it shows normal. Here it is 3D. 3D, they will provide you glasses for that, and it will looks very realistic. Then 4DX, 3D, it looks more realistic, but I choose 3D, I prefer this one. Then I choose Hindi also, so click on this. And then you have second thing you can choose, that is date. You can choose any date, like Sunday I have selected. And here it is the mall that is the nearest to you, and when you scroll down it will shows the another locations that is far away. So choose your timings from here, just like this. Then choose how many tickets you want to book. Like I have to book 5 tickets. Then you have to select the seats. So first see where is the screen. So you can see at the bottom, this is the screen, this is the cinema screen. Then you can prefer the upper side of the this seats, not the lower side, so it will take the distance. You have to click on this. Just you can see the price. This one is 360, 340. You can choose by clicking on here. So it will select 5 seats, and 5 seats here it is selected. Then you can pay using anything, UPI, credit card, debit card, any offer will be there, it will be applied. So that's how you can pay and book tickets. So then you can just go to that cinema hall and you can just show your QR and enjoy your movie. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.